Hi, thank you for coming to Yarn again. My name is Teresa. This is the Throw Thursday for February 16th, 2023. I almost threw this Throw Thursday. I am doing currently the Persian Tiles crochet blanket item number 961671. Mary Maxim. I am not affiliated in any way, shape, or form with Mary Maxim. I just happen to really enjoy their products. And this is the tile that I am currently making. This is what it is supposed to look like. I put it on a white white paper from my printer so that maybe you could see it a little bit better, because I use the purple blanket as my backdrop. So, because I like purple. Here is what I have done so far on 8 of them. I did 16 in the one motif there, the centers, but found out later I only needed 8, and I'm going to start on the 8. I'm going to start the rest of the centers and go from there on those. That is what I have so far. I have all 8 of those. I did start, and they're pretty uniform. I mean, you could put them on top of each other, which that's an achievement for me. I did start on the next step. However, that doesn't look like that. I know it's the wrong color. But see how the points are? I'm pointing on my camera. That's so funny. See how the points are here? Like that. And like that. Right? This said the next, I don't know if it's the pattern, but it said in the next chain 5, and then in the next single crochet, and then next chain, put it in, not in the middle. I put it in the middle, obviously. But see, that doesn't look like that. That doesn't look like that at all. And it's not pinched together at the top. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Thus, the reason throw tile literally meant to me this week. Almost did not throw it. I am controlling my inner Karen. I got that. But I almost threw this tile across the room. Because of that is wrong. If you have done this and you have any pointers, if I'm on the right track, I would appreciate help. And if your name is Karen, no offense. But I don't know what I'm doing wrong. And I got tails on every one. How to manage that? Day in my life, right? It could be worse. It's only yarn. So that's the thing I'm working on. I've got 8 of the center flowers there. And I think to get away from this for a bit, so I don't get myself frustrated again and start wanting to throw the Throw Thursday out the window, I am going to work on these center pieces and this piece here, this step there, because that I can do really easy. And they're all done correctly because I double checked the count when I got to that to see why that is messing up. So if you've done the Persian tile, are doing the Persian tile, if I'm saying that right, Persian or Parisian. Anyway, if you're doing this kit and you've done this step right here, this one, step 5, if you've done that step, am I doing it right? See how it points in the middle? It doesn't say to join that in the middle. I'm all confused. As you could tell. I don't have a poker face. I don't have a face. Okay. I hope you had fun. It's either laugh or cry, right, at this tile, and it's only a tile. It's only yarn. I make greeting cards and I say it's only paper when I make a mistake and I throw it away. No, I am not throwing this away. I will continue this until I make it done. And hopefully it has some resemblance to that. I have this as my phone wallpaper. I liked it so much. That's why I was so excited when my son gave it to me. Okay, I'm hoping in this step, right here, that step right there, I hope that's where all this works out. But on their thing, see how it goes together there? Yeah, if you have any help, I'd appreciate it. And thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate that as well. I know you have time in your day. You could be spending somewhere else other than listening to this old lady ramble on. But I do appreciate you stopping by. I really do. And I really appreciate your subscriptions, your thumbs up, and your comments. That really helps my channel. I just do this because somebody told me. Actually, it was Armchair Chef. She told me, you could do this. You got it. Go on the video, start talking, and show your projects. You could do this. So I started, and I'm actually having a lot of fun. No, I don't show my face. I'm trying to get self-confidence up. It's very low. It's like on the bottom of the shoe low. So that is not happening right now. When I can, I will. Have a great day. Bye.